Hello guys, welcome back to Lan app. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix canonical tag in Shopify issue. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So you might be wondering how do you actually fix this issue. So having multiple or duplicate pages in your Shopify store can be really annoying, especially it could actually mess up your SEO. Now, in this case, the issue for canonical tags can vary from store to store. So the fix itself may vary, but I'll be showing you an example that is actually from the community of Shopify itself. So in this case, first things first is we need to visit our store. So let's go ahead and go to online store here. And from here, instead of clicking on the edit theme option here, we want to edit our code. Now in this case, click on the three-dotted icon that you see in it. Click on edit code, and you should be able to see all the liquid files that you have. Now in this case, again, the solution for this problem can vary depending on the shop. Now in this case, what is the solution? So in this case, what we need to do is look for the page that is affected, that is actually affected by this issue. Now in this case, go ahead and look for that page here. So usually it's going to be the product pages. So in this case, look for the section here for the liquid file for products. So in this case, you go ahead and just search for files here. Just type in products. Go ahead and look for that liquid file. And from here, you need to look for this specific section here. Now in this case, you need to look for the product.url pipe within collection. Now in this case, you need to remove the within and the pipe section here. And once you've removed that, it should look something like this, which is product.url. In this case, once you remove the within collection here, that should actually solve your problem. In this case, make sure that you save your file first by clicking on the save button at the top right here, and that should actually solve your issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan app. Thank you for watching.